to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new or you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open and use Google, and we'll start with what Google is. Google is a search engine that helps you to find information on the internet, and that includes websites, images, videos, maps, news, and more. You can use it to search for answers, learn skills, find jobs, watch tutorials, and do research. How to open Google on your computer? You'll just, the first step is to open your computer. You must have an open computer. Then the second step is to open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Then the third step is to click the address bar at the top and then type in google.com, then press enter. Once you press enter, Google will open your screen. Tips: in many browsers, Google opens automatically as the default search engine. Let me show you practically. You'll come to this section and type in google.com as I have just done, then click enter. Once you click enter in this section, this is where now you're supposed to type. For example, you type job interview guide for customer service representative. It gives you an option. As you can see, we have so many answers, and you can select one that interests you. For example, if you want to open this, you can open link in a new tab, and then these are the answers. As you can see, I don't want to accept these cookies, and we have a list of so many suggestions. If you want to click whichever you are interested in, you can just click and it opens for you to read the answers. You can even watch the responses like you can see here. Let's go back to our lesson and how to open Google on your phone. Method 1, use your browser. Open your browser app, the browser that you use on your phone. For example, there are those phones that have Chrome, there are those that have Google, Mozilla, amongst others. Then type google.com, then search or enter. Using Google app. Method 2, using Google app. Most of the phones, they have a Google app. Then type Google app icon on the Google app icon, click, and then click the search bar and it will open immediately. How to search on Google? Click the tab on the search bar, then type what you want to look for. Example of a suggestion: how to write a CV, an Excel tutorial, weather today, online jobs, and then press enter or click search. The third step is to press enter and then tap the search icon. Google will show a list of results, then you can choose from the results. Understanding search results. When results appears, you will see blue title, the page name, which is clickable, short description, what the page is about, and then there's a link to that website. And once you click, it will open. How to search for better? Use specific words. Make sure that you use words that will bring you the best results that you want. Use quotes for extra faces. Customer support interview questions. Yes, so that you can specify on what you want. Use question format. How to create a spreadsheet so that you can get an answer as per your request. Search for images. Search your topic, click images at the top, then browse pictures. Click any image off to view in larger. For example, what that means, if you want to look for images, just come to your browser here and then type something like Russia. Mm, mm, Let me say CV, and we want an image format of a CV. You will need to come to this section. Once you click there, you'll be able to see image formats with example of the CVs. This is an image of this person's CV, and that is what it basically means. And then we have search with videos. You come just to the same section here, click videos. Once you type in whatever you want, then you can get the responses as per what you can see. This is a video, and you can open to be able to see what content is in there. Click videos, then choose the click results. Safety tips when using Google. Don't click suspicious links. Yes, you should be very, very careful so that you don't expose yourself from malicious attacks. Avoid sites asking for personal data without reasons. Check website's name before downloading files. Use trusted sources. You should not download anything that you don't trust, and make sure you don't click links that your instincts are telling you not to. Practice exercise for learners. So, for the purposes of your training, how to use Microsoft Excel, online typing test,